Daisy, look at me. Did you eat this? No? Daisy, did you eat this? Did you eat that? No? Did you pull this off? Huh? Did you pull this off the wall? Did you pull this off the wall? Huh? Did you do this? Huh?
There we go.
Tucker, did you fart?
Trying to get out? Oh my. There you go. Oh dear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my.
Oh my God, are you okay?
No.
Nope, 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 nope. Go! So Wilma's ready for the storms that are coming. And so is Rufio. Yep, they're going to be ready for the rain.
Let's get that.
It's going.
Boomer got into the tinsel again. Watch. Boomer, did you do this? Oh, he's not going to do it. Boomer, did you do this? You think Daddy's going to protect you?
I miss you, John.
Really? What? What?
Oh my gosh, okay, jiggle a little bit.
No, shake. Good boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Petunia. Happy birthday to you.
Milo. Are you ignoring me, Milo? Milo, are you keeping on your mom? Wants to go for a walk? Oh, there he is.
What did you do, Chloe? What is all over your face? Did you eat lipstick? What is that? What did you do?
Come on. Come on. Come on, big baby. Come on. Get off Mama's bed. Come on, let's go. You want a treat? What, did you get off the bed for a treat? Huh? Not even a treat? No? Oh, you just are being stubborn today, aren't you?
Big Kid Lego, no! Chloe, you want a treat? Want a treat?
Somebody ate my Christmas stickers. Pee-wee? Was it you? Lovey? Did you eat my Christmas stickers? Couldn't have been, huh?
Get out!
Good boy. Wait. Wait. Be good, Mason. You're being such a good boy. Just wait. Does someone else want your cookie?
Are you giving a bath? Okay, Dex. Do you like that, Zoe?
Did you try to swing? Lucy, what'd you do? What you doing?